Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix low client FPS in Valorant. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways what we can do to try and fix this. So the first way is to enable high performance mode in Windows. So to do this, go ahead and click on search, type settings, and now open up settings. Now on the left hand side, we want to go in and click on the system tab. Come over to the right and look for power and battery. Go ahead and click onto that. Now you should be inside of power and battery. Now under power and battery where it says power mode, go ahead and make sure that is set to best performance, plugged in, and on battery best performance as well. Okay, the next fix is to go ahead and update your GPU drivers. So to do that, go ahead and click on the search, type in device manager, and then device manager should pop up like so. Then from here, we need to look for display adapters. So go ahead and expand that and find your graphics card. So here's my graphics card here. So basically what we want to do is right click it and click on update drivers. Now a little pop-up should appear like so. Now how do you want to search for drivers? So search automatically for drivers. So basically what this is going to do, Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. So just go ahead and click that. And now if there's any updates, it's going to go ahead and update it for you. Just go through the prompts. But if the best driver is already installed, you're going to get a little pop-up message like this. Now the next fix we can do is go ahead and right click our Windows key and then look for Task Manager. And now inside of Task Manager, just go ahead and filter by what's taken the most CPU, and then go ahead, if you're using just go ahead and remove any unnecessary apps. So this can be Google Chrome, Discord overlays, any Steam overlays, Xbox Game Bar, any background screen recorders. So this can be OBS, Metal.tv, etc. And just basically just exit out of that. So if I want to go and exit out of this, I'm going to right click it and then click on End Task. But I'm not going to do that because I'm recording this video of OBS Studio. Now the next thing what we can do is check your refresh rate. So right click on your desktop and then click onto display settings and then click onto advanced display. So now that's going to be near the bottom of the page under related settings. So just click onto advanced display like so. And now below that, it will say choose a refresh rate. So set refresh rate to the highest. So you go ahead and click on the little drop down. If it's at 60 or whatever, just make sure that is on the highest refresh rate. Now the next thing we can do is go ahead and clear our temp files. So to do a quick cleanup, go ahead and click on your Windows key and R at the same time, and basically you need to get run up. Now once we get run up, we need to put this in %temp%, then click OK. And now from here, so now this is going to contain temporary files created by Windows and apps. So what we need to do is press Control A, that's going to select everything, and then click on delete. And then we'll say you'll need to provide administration permissions possibly. So I'm going to do this for all that. And now that's going to delete all your temp files. Just skip any ones that are going to give you a bit of grief. So I'm just going to go that, do this for all current. And then after deletion, go ahead and empty your recycle bin as well. So go ahead and right click on your recycling bin. I'm sure you know how to do this. Empty your recycling bin, and then yeah, just go ahead and dump all that. So now you can see, yeah, about 993 items deleted. Now, if you're still having issues in your game, I suggest just simply uninstalling the game and reinstalling it.